Though the flags are at Half-Staff Tuesday, honoring the lives lost to fentanyl, those fighting against its use have something to celebrate. According to the Virginia Department of Health, the number of fatal fentanyl overdoses in 2024 were down nearly 44% compared to the year prior. Nearly all overdose deaths had decreased by about 34%. Governor Glenn Youngkin celebrated the progress on CBS News Tuesday morning.
In Virginia, we have had an aggressive campaign, and we were just named by the CDC as the top state for reducing fentanyl deaths and overdoses.
Youngkin credited action at the local, state, and federal levels, including drug seizures and tighter border security. In Virginia's capital, Richmond City Council took its own step Monday night, approving more than $380,000 in grant money to be used for peer recovery programming at 5 different organizations.
But if you pass this and do this for the city, I can work in the city of Richmond where I live.
Marlon Baycoat, who spoke in support of the move, knows the power of peer recovery.
I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for peer support and treatment.
Baycoat said his own addiction led him to spending 23 years in prison. Thanks to a drug court program with a peer recovery class, he became a certified substance counselor in Henrico.
It's the peer model. The therapeutic value of one addict helping another is without parallel. And so because I can say I actually have walked in your shoes and I can show you that there's experience, strength, and hope to get through things, it's like there's no other equal to it.
Baycoat said peer recovery programs take the burden off of hospitals, and more funding means more staff to help do so.
And I think we're starting to do that now. So hats off, I applaud Mayor Avula who actually sponsored the ordinance and City Councilor for passing it. But this is what we need. We need it in Richmond, we need it in Virginia, we need it all over America because the opioid epidemic hasn't gone away, and it won't until we all come together and start fighting this battle.
We'll have a breakdown of the 5 different locations receiving funding, how much they'll be getting, and where that money is coming from on our website, WTVR.com. In Richmond, I'm Elizabeth Holmes, CBS 6 News.